Hello friends, this is Shubham and welcome to my channel Tech Trace. Today we are talking about the latest iPad from Apple, that is Apple iPad 2018 model, the 9.7-inch display. So we'll see all the configuration, all the specification, the pros and cons of this iPad in this video. So let's continue this video.
So today we are talking about the 9.7-inch Apple iPad 2018, the latest iPad by Apple. Starting with the display unit, the Apple iPad has a 9.7-inch Retina display with IPS technology in it. It has a screen resolution of 2048 into 1536 pixels at 264 ppi pixel density. It supports Apple Pencil with fingerprint resistant screen. Talking about the camera, primary camera of Apple iPad 2018 is equipped with 8MP camera of aperture f2.4. 1080 pixel HD video recording with slow-mo at 120 fps is supported by the primary camera. Secondary camera of Apple iPad 2018 has 1.2 megapixel camera with aperture f2.2. 720 pixel HD video recording is supported by the Apple iPad 2018 model, the secondary camera of the iPad. Other features of the camera of Apple iPad 2018 includes live photos, autofocus, HDR mode, auto image video stabilization with 3x video zoom. Talking about the model and the variants of Apple iPad 2018. The Apple iPad 2018 comes with a three color silver, gold and space gray. The two models of iPad 2018 includes one with having Wi-Fi and optional 32GB or 128GB variant. The other one has a Wi-Fi plus cellular having optional 32GB or 128GB variant. Processor of the new iPad 2018. The Apple iPad 2018 packs with the A10 Fusion chip with 64-bit architecture embedded with M10 core processor. It is running on the latest iOS 11 operating system. Talking about the battery unit of the Apple iPad 2018, the built-in 32.4 watt-hour rechargeable lithium polymer battery having up to 10 hours of web surfing battery backup. Talking about the connectivity and sensors, the new iPad 2018 has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2 and 4G on cellular model. In terms of sensor, it has Touch ID, 3-axis gyroscope, accelerometer, barometer and an ambient light sensor in it. Fingerprint identity sensor is built into the home button for the unlock feature of iPad. As always, we are getting camera, photos, iMessage, FaceTime, iBooks, Siri, Find My iPhone, Safari and many more built-in apps in this new iPad 2018 model. So these all are the specifications of Apple iPad 2018.
So this is all about the Apple iPad 2018 model. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Trace for the latest tech updates. Thank you.